Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to decorate some eggs. The main supplies you will need is your egg cutout. I will be using these wooden cutouts that I found at Dollar Tree, and I do have 4 pieces. I will also be using some pastel chalk paint, coordinating gems, and coordinating thread. The colors I'm using today are patina, vintage Victorian, silver lining, and lavender. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and paint all my eggs. And I will start with lavender. I have my eggs painted. I had to add some white to my pink and to my patina. When I painted them, they were just a little too dark, and also my lavender. So I had to lighten it up by adding some white to the paint. And I'm happy with the colors now. They look a lot more pastel than they did earlier. So I'm happy with this. So I did paint them front and back. I have my gems here. I bought these gems from the Dollar Tree. I just like the way they look. And when I bought them with the intention to use them on designing eggs. I was thinking that maybe I'll put like 2 on top and then do like 3 and 3. I don't really have any special plans. I just want to play with these gems. And let's see, I need my X-Acto knife so I can cut this gem. Let me see. Let me cut these into strips. So I think that on the top row I want to do just the 2. So let's try this again. Probably about right there. I have to position these because I accidentally cut the wrong section. Let me see. I need another tool. Let's see. Probably about maybe right there. And then I'll reattach this one. Okay, now I've got it backwards. So this one goes on this side. Because it does have that big piece on each end there, see? So that one goes there, and then this one goes back on this side. So that looks about straight, right? And then just and then just press down, and then I want to do 3 pieces or 3 little sections here, and I'm going to cut it right here. So each end ends in a small one, and then I'm going to take that. Well, you can use whatever gems you like, whatever makes you happy, right? I think that's the thing with decorating eggs. You know, decorate it how you like. And put that there. Now I need 1 extra gem and put that there. Whoops. There we go. So I like this, the way the pattern fell. I like it. So, and then I'm going to do the same thing to these 3 eggs. And I'm just going to put gems on one side of the egg and then leave the other side like that. Here are my eggs. They have the gems on, and I ended them with the large gem here on the end. See how I got the little one and then a large one there, and the bottom and the top I left without. But I want to I think it needs something else. I don't know what though. Maybe I can just put like one teardrop there. Yeah, I get one. Maybe if I can put it on the end of the chain there, like that. I think that'll be cute, huh? Like that. I need one more. Like that. There we go. I think that looks better. Let me do that to the other 3. I have completed adding all the extra gems I'm going to add. So I put a big gem on the end there, on all the ends. So these 2 rows I added 2 extra large gems on the end, and then an extra teardrop on the bottom row. I think that covers most of the egg, and I did that to all 4 eggs. Now I just have some twine here that I want to add. I plan on using these eggs on my lanterns. I think that they will look really cute on there. I'm going to see if I can get this twine through here. There we go. And just tie it off like that. And then I want the untied end up here. That way I can tie it off onto the ring on my lantern. See? Really cute. I like it. Simple, you know, but it looks very cute. And like I said, decorating egg is all preference. You decorate eggs however you like. You know, as long as you're happy with it, that's all that matters. I'm not very good at decorating eggs, but hey, I do my best. Because, you know, sometimes you think, well, I can do that. I can create this design, that design. But sometimes just simple is the best. So on this one, I was going to use the green, but then I changed my mind. I got like a pale gray one I found in my supply box, so I'm going to go ahead and use that on this one. Well, I definitely had to lighten some of the colors on 3 of my eggs. Because when I put the first layer on, it, like this one, this pink, it looks really pale, right? But when it dried, it was kind of like dark. Just a little too dark for me. Same thing with the violet one and with the teal one. They're just, the teal one was just a little too bright. So when I added the gems, it would have been the same color, you know, the background on my egg. So I wanted a little lighter, so I went to add in some white paint to all of them just to lighten the colors. So here we go. Look at that. Simple, cute. I like them. Very happy with those. I hope I gave you a few more ideas on how to decorate some of your eggs with gems. I do love buying these gems from Dollar Tree. They have some really cute ones. And they've been getting a lot of these lacy kind of gems lately, but you can always cut it up and create your own designs. Have fun with it. Thank you for stopping by today. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.